What's up, guys? John from Heavyset Tactical. Got something awesome from DLT Trading. Let's check it out. Let's dive right in. Sorry for the funny camera angle, guys. We got an official Chris Reeves box. Good Lord. Okay. Got all our paperwork. Bead blasted, natural micarta, inlays, CPM Magnacut drop point. You get your Loctite and some lube and a tool for taking it apart. Here's the big reveal. Comes in that Chris Reeves microfiber cloth. Oh my God. This is the Chris Reeves large Sebenza drop point Magnacut micarta inlays. Oh my God.